Welcome back to Cars Updates, where we keep you informed on the latest automotive trends. Today we're excited to explore the 2025 Toyota Corolla Pickup, a unique blend of compact car efficiency and pickup utility. Let's dive into what makes this vehicle a standout choice in today's market. Design. The 2025 Corolla Pickup features a modern and rugged aesthetic that sets it apart from traditional compact pickups. Its aggressive front fascia is complemented by sleek LED headlights and a sculpted hood, giving it a bold presence on the road. The bed is cleverly integrated into the design, ensuring that it maintains the sporty look of the Corolla lineup while offering practicality for hauling. The overall silhouette is aerodynamic, contributing to improved fuel efficiency, and the selection of vibrant colors adds to its appeal. Interior. So the cabin of the Corolla Pickup is designed with both comfort and functionality in mind. The layout is intuitive, with a focus on driver convenience. High-quality materials are used throughout, providing a premium feel. So the centerpiece is the advanced infotainment system, featuring a large touchscreen display that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless connectivity. With ample storage options and thoughtful touches, like under-seat storage and a versatile center console, make it practical for both work and leisure. Plus, the rear seating offers sufficient legroom for passengers, ensuring comfort on longer journeys. Performance. The 2025 Corolla Pickup impresses with its agile handling and efficient engine options. Under the hood, you'll find a choice of engines that balance power with fuel efficiency, making it suitable for daily commuting and weekend adventures. So the suspension is tuned for a smooth ride, absorbing bumps with ease while providing responsive steering. Whether you're navigating city streets or heading off-road, the Corolla Pickup's compact size and all-wheel drive options make it versatile and capable. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates from Cars Updates. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.